Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome. My name is Kazue. In today's video, I'd like to share with you how to make mug cozies for different shapes of mugs using felt. My felts are from Daiso. First, we are going to make a pattern. I'm using A4 size paper. This type of mug, you will need some curve to the pattern. I am rolling over the paper to get the curve from the mug. So we will adjust the length later. At this point, you would like to have lengths that more than you will need it. Then we will measure the handle. This will be the width of the mug cozy. My handle was around 4.5 cm, so I'm marking at that. Next, we will check the length. Wrap over like this and draw a line. From the line, we will add a room for overlap, about 1 to 2 cm. Then pattern is done, so we will color out felt of your choice. I'm making a double layer. So for the top layer, I wanted to have some heart shape cut out. I'm cutting only 3 hearts here, but I ended up adding some smaller hearts later. This is optional. I am trimming off some top layer just because I wanted to show some underlayer. If you use a pinking shears, that will be a cute look. You can get creative with it. And glue them away. Or if you prefer stitching, that will be extra nice. All you gotta do now is to add some Velcro for closure. And we are finished with our first mug cozy. For the second mug cozy, we are going to make for this cylinder shape. Measure 2 places. One is around the mug cup and second is from the handle to the bottom of the mug cup. Use those 2 measurements and draw a rectangular shape for the pattern. Then we need to cut out small rounded square shape like this. The size of the square will be width of the handle plus 1 to 2 cm for room for the overlap. Use this template to color out felt of your choice. I'm decorating with simple red hearts, but you can get creative with it. Cutting out velcros in heart shape for an extra touch. Glue those down and we are nearly finished. I'm making a hot chocolate set, so I'm packing up some heart-shaped marshmallows. I thought it would be cute to pair up with hard arrow spoon. Wrapping up some hot chocolate with fabric of your choice for extra coziness. Thank you very much for watching. I make crafty videos, sewing videos, and DIY videos, so please consider subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you liked this video, please give a thumbs up, and comments are always welcome. I will see you on my next Valentine's Day home decor video. See you soon. Bye!